loves. All right, I'm here today with another one of our awesome orders. This is order 1039 from Jessica. Now, Jessica's a first-time customer, and she's actually taken advantage of the fact that I ask you guys to message me if you have questions. And with Jessica being new to this industry, she's doing the right thing by her business by asking questions that, frankly, I wish a lot of us would ask. Absolutely appreciate you guys. Jessica, thank you so much for your order. Let's grab all your items. Starting out with our flower charm pack. This is series 1. We actually have 2 more of that series left, and once we're sold out because we're moving on to series 2 starting in April. These are 10 different flower designs, and you've got 15 of each style in this organizer. So it's a great way to add flowers to your bead designs, as well as add those additional touches that you need to make your design extra special. Even if it's a character bead that already has a print on it, it's a great option to enhance that design and make it your own. Next, you got the silicone bead pen holder. This is great to hold your bead pens that you want to sell, or if you want to use it when you're taking pictures for your catalog and your website, or you can also use it for your bead designs. So if you use our diamond bead reamer tool set, remember you can use this to open up the holes on your beads if you need it a little bigger, especially with those clay beads. When you order clay beads, whether it's from a wholesaler or you make your own, sometimes that hole closes up a little bit more than it should, and it doesn't allow that bead rod to go through. So these are great for that, but they also have another multi-purpose option, and that's to help us when we're designing our beads and holding onto our beads so that they don't shift as we're applying glues or any additional embellishments. So it's a super handy silicone pen holder, but it also works with your tool. Next, she ordered the 2cm wide creation tape roll. Now this is 5 meters of a roll, so this will last you quite some time, especially when you're designing with your beads, which she also got the 21cm butterfly beads. These are great to add those accents around the edges of the beads, or you can wrap the entire bead. Make sure that if you do wrap the creation tape around a bead, that you're using a silicone tool to maintain the shape of the bead. For example, a butterfly bead, if you're wrapping it, use that silicone tool to shape and push in on the parts where the tape needs to hold. Another big important tip when you are using creation tape, whether it has the sugar rhinestones like our creation tape packs that we have in the bold and in the pastel colors, is to prep your surface. If you want the maximum amount of hold for your creation tapes, with or without the sugar rhinestones already on it, you need to prep your bead. You can use a nail file to prep the surface area very lightly, no digging required, just easily scuff the surface so that the tape has the ability to have the maximum hold, and it will be super difficult, if not impossible, to try to take that thing out without literally ripping that entire bead apart. Next, she also got an ounce of the AB White sugar rhinestones. Now, I do have this particular brand in 4 and 8 ounces. I am having more colors shipped in, so we will have all of our 15 colors with bulk options for you to purchase. There's a 1 ounce, a 4 ounce, and an 8 ounce of our AB White, with those additional 4 and 8 ounces coming in for our other colors. So don't forget to click the link in our bio, or check us out at chibicharms.com to see all the other design options and the tools that you can get to build your own signature bead design. Lastly, she got the creator bundle that we have with the Aleene's glue. If you remember, this particular jewelry and metal glue is great for silicone beads, especially adding embellishments to them that we could never do before because nothing else worked. Well, this one does, and it's amazing, and it's in that bundle, as well as our clear gel tacky glue. This is the one that helps you add all of the embellishments that you need to on acrylic beads, and it has no toxic odors. It's a lot safer to use than those B7000 glues. It's all available in a super easy bundle that you can add to your order. Now that we've picked everything, let's go ahead and pack it.